What's up guys, this is Makasa the Informer from KM Creatives Africa, and today I just want to show you how to zip files and how to extract them as well. So you open this up, you'll be able to see this interface of which these are files on my phone with different formats, be it MP3, be it MP4, PDF, music, whatever file, you'll be able to see them. So you have to select the files that you want to zip. Remember, the reason why we zip files to reduce the size and in order for them to be easy to be sent to someone. So I'll be able to mark 3 files, and after selecting them you have to hit the plus button and be able to see this. This means that you have started now zipping. So you write the name of the file. In my case I'll write electrical engineering because those books that I selected there for electrical engineering. And there are other options here. You'll be able to see encryption. If you want to encrypt these files, you can select that option, of which in my case it's off because I don't want to encrypt it. You'll be able to see also the quality depending on your preferences and your wants and your likes, and you'll be able to see the parts size, also the size of the file. And when you're done with everything, just click on the button called OK, and you zip a file as just in seconds. And yeah, let's see what happens when you zip a file. Check it out. So we zipped our file. Now we want to open it and extract it. You open the app again, and then you scroll down to look for our file, and here's our file. Click on it and click on extract, and you'll be able to see this. Click on that box and extract like that, and to be done, here's our files that we zipped. And yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.